many people ask me, why did I become a plastic surgeon? I love to talk about it. From a very young age, I remember loving things that were beautiful. Babies, animals, flowers. I started painting and drawing, and I remember my mom used to make an outline of a princess when I was very, very young. And I would have to fill in all the details, the hair, the dress, the shoes, the flesh. And that really taught me a lot. And then as time went on, I began to appreciate the fact that my mom made all of my clothes by hand on a sewing machine. And I just thought it was normal when you bought clothes, you would alter them as needed so that they would fit perfect. And to this day, I still do that. In college, I studied biology and chemical engineering. And I remember having fascinating conversations with my dad, who was a physicist. And we would talk about science, astronomy, just amazing things. And again, I think my love for science and medicine began to form at a very young age. Then also in college, I took as many art classes as I could, and I was drawn to the art classes that focused on nude models. And so what we would do is we would have to draw them in certain poses, but the most fascinating thing that we did was we had to capture motion. So that means form in motion. And so we would be allowed a 1 minute or a 2 minute pose with the model, and then she or he would move. And then you have to just show that motion on paper, where you appreciate muscles and bones and flesh. And it was amazing. In medical school, I loved all the rotations, all the subspecialties of medicine, pediatrics and OBGYN. But then I rotated on plastic surgery, and something happened. For me, it was like I just found my match. It was the perfect combination of art and precision. And it's I've been at home ever since. My career started with me surgically fixing babies born with cleft lip and palates and all sorts of craniofacial deformities. And today I operate on patients of all ages, their face, their breasts, their body, and I love it. For me, it's not work. I can truly say that it is a privilege to be able to operate on people and make such a difference in their lives. So that's my story, and I love what I do. Thanks.